Hello students and namaste everyone. I am Dhaval sir and our today's topic is from your standard 8th English textbook Honeydew, poem 2, geography lesson by Zulfikar Ghosh. In this poem, the poet talks about three important things. First, how everything looks from the sky. Second, how civilization was established. Civilization means how the people developed their houses and how they started living in a civilized manner, right? And the reason behind the unorganized settlement, right? So people are living, they have developed their civilization, but still many people are living in an unorganized way. And the third is his question to himself, why people hate each other, right? So to understand this, let us discuss the poem in detail. Okay. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. That means through these lines the poet is trying to say that when the jet sprang means when it went up, right? So in the first paragraph what the poet is saying, that when the jet plane went up into the sky, it was clear to the poet that means the poet understood why the city had developed the way it had, because everything looked so small that a mile seemed to be like 6 inches, right? That means when the plane went higher and higher, 1 mile distance looked like 6 inches and everything looked so small. Okay, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. That means when it moved up high in the sky, right, everything was clearly visible, right? The planning of the city, which should have been in a proper order, was not done in the proper order. It was developed according to or as per the need of the people, right? That means everything was in a haphazard manner, right? Nothing was in a planned manner in the way it should be. Okay, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, that means as it is moving higher and higher and higher. Okay, now in the second paragraph what we'll see is, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities, where the rivers ran and why the valley were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted men, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. Okay, so in this paragraph the poet is saying that his jet, that is a plane, reached 10,000 feet from the ground. Okay, 10,000 feet from the ground, and when it reached 10,000 feet from the ground, it was clear. That means it was clearly understood why the country had cities where the river ran, right? We have learnt in social science that civilization started developing on the banks of river. What is the reason? Because on the banks of river water is easily available for drinking, and the major reason is that the land on the banks of river is very fertile and where the people could grow plants, that means greenery, right? So the plants could be grown and food can be easily available. So this is the reason why people had started living on the banks of river, okay, or they had started civilization on the banks of river. So it is written over here that when he rose at 10,000 feet, at that time he could see that the places or the cities which were nearby the river were densely populated and maximum people were living near or next to the river banks. Okay, so cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated, that I've already explained. The logic of geography, that means the reason, right? The land and water attracted man was delineated, right? So delineated means the reason was known or shown. Okay, it is given in your textbook. That means from, as I said, that when it reached at the height of 10,000 feet, right, at that time he understood why the people are living close to each other, why there is so much population on the river bank. We'll move further. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round. That means now it is moving further. First it was at 10,000, right, feet, and now it has reached to 6 miles high. So when it reached 6 miles high, right, that means it was in the outer space, okay, of the earth. It was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land, right? So when we move out of the earth, at that time we can see the whole of the earth, right? The whole earth can be seen from the height of 6 miles, and when the jet reaches at 6 miles, then it was understood that the earth is round, okay? And when we see the earth from the space, it is known as a blue planet. Why it is known as blue planet? Because it is covered with 71% of water and 29% of it is covered with the land. Okay, we'll move further. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why, right? So when the poet sees the earth from the space, that means the earth is only one, right? But the people living on the earth are not one. That means they all are not united, right? They are fighting against each other just for their selfish greed or selfish reasons. And just because of that selfish reasons, what they have done, they have divided the single earth, the earth which was one, they have divided into different parts, and they have formed borders. Okay, so again I'll read out the paragraph. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build wall across cities, that means borders. And after building the borders, they kept on fighting against each other and they used to kill each other, right? So again at the last, the same line is repeated. From that height, it was not clear why. That means the poet is trying to say that he is not able to understand that why such kind of behavior is shown by the people. As the earth is one, then the people living on the earth should also be one. That means they all should live together in a united way, right? So that is what the story is about. Okay, I'll end my lecture over here, and thank you everyone for watching my video. Please stay healthy, stay home and stay safe.